forward in time, to view alternate futures, to see all the possible outcomes of counting confidence.
How many did you see?
14,605.
How many did you win?